Hello and welcome to another identity management video. This is part 2 of the side-by-side FIM to MIM upgrade series. In the previous video we looked at the prerequisites and the steps you needed to complete before you could start doing the actual upgrade. SQL Management Studio took a bit of time to load, so I didn't actually get a chance to show you the databases, but we can see here on our SQL Server 2 we've got the old FIM service and the FIM synchronization service databases. It's also copied across the HR database, and we've got a support database here. The other databases are for the SharePoint 2016 installation. So let's make a start with the sync engine. We'll install the sync engine first, and then we'll do the portal, and then we'll do the SSPR portals at the end. So very similar to the in-place upgrades. Your welcome screen, we'll click next to that one, accept the terms and license agreement. We'll change the folder we're going to install the FIM components to. We'll pop it onto the E drive, click next. The SQL Server is not on this machine, it's on a separate one, so we'll put in the server SQL alias. Again, we've got the host record here to point us to SQL 002 rather than SQL 001. Click next. Now we need to put the service account in. If we go back to the sync box and look at the services, we can see what the service account name is. And I will remember to click on the box before I type next time. Pop the password in and pop the domain in and click next. And again we're going to reuse the old ones, so we just need to put in the domain and we'll copy and paste this. And hit next. We'll enable the firewall rules. Click install. And now it's going to start the installation. So we've got a warning message. Sync engine is not secure. Standard. And now it's just going to go through the installation process. And hopefully what we should see is a pop-up that tells us at some point that the database already exists and do we want to upgrade it. And here we go. Microsoft Identity Manager Synchronization Service Database already exists. If you click yes, you will restore the configuration with this database. If you click no, you must manually remove the previous database for the installation to continue. Do you want to use the existing database? And we're going to click yes. The setup wizard is about to upgrade the database. Before continuing installation, it's recommended that you back up the database and key sets. To continue the setup, click yes, or it's a copy of the database from the FIM environment, so we'll click yes to do that. And it's now updating the database for us. So now it's asking for the encryption key, so we'll log back onto the old server. And we'll go to the E drive, FIM backup key, and we can copy this. And now we click yes. And now it's asking for that location of the key. And now it's starting the synchronization service. And if we click finish, that's the synchronization service updated, or updated and installed. And we can see that the history's there, the management agents are all there and present as we expect. And if we go to the extension folder, we'll even see that the MIM provisioning DLLs are there as well, so I don't even need to copy those files across from the old server if they're in the extension folder. If you have other files elsewhere on the box, you will need to copy them across, but anything in the extension folder is copied across. So that's the FIM service, FIM Sync Engine. Okay, so that concludes this video. In the next video we'll do the portal and service upgrade. Any questions about the Sync Engine upgrade, leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.